Hi there, I hope you're doing well. If you're working on some website or on some data farm website or CRM or anything, this extension can help you a lot. Okay, so what I did here, I can just take a snapshot of any web page. Like I can take a snapshot like this, and I can ask anything in my extension. Okay, so now it is processing with AI, and I can ask it, can you convert this data into JSON or structure form? And you can see the output here. Okay, you can just copy it and you can place it in anywhere. Okay, the image is attached. Now I can just ask it, like I previously asked, can you convert this data into structure or JSON form? It is processing and it will convert the same data in this specific format. Okay, you can see here. So this is how this extension works. So if you didn't have installed this extension, you can go to Chrome Web Store like this, and you can install this extension. This is called RAG Assistant 1.0. Okay, so what you need to do here, you just need to search for RAG, and you have to search for this extension here, and you can install it on your browser. Okay, so you have to just install it in your browser. Now let me show you the output, how it look like, and you can see the output is here. Okay, so this is the complete structure data of this table that you can easily use in any website to convert this data into tabular format like CSV or Excel or anything, like even maybe you can convert this data into Markdown as well. Okay, so this is how it works. Not only this, you can just take a snapshot and you can ask it like how many entries are there and how many pages are there and what are different names used in this table. You can ask it literally anything to this chat assistant. Okay, now I'm asking it and I will tell it, please list all different offices that are in this table. Okay, now it will obviously tell me Tokyo, London, and each and everything. It will obviously tell me. You can see here. So this is how it works. Now you can see it remove the duplicates as well. I can ask anything to this extension. Now let me show you some other use cases that we can do this. Okay, so I can just click on this attach image icon and I can attach any type of image. Okay, now let me attach some images and I can obviously ask it. Suppose that you have a digital text like this one, and you can just click the image, you can open this. Okay, and you can ask it, can you convert this image into digital text? This is handwritten text that I just selected. Okay, this is handwritten text. It is written with handwriting. Okay, so I will obviously convert this into digital text. Can you convert this handwritten text into digital text? Okay, my image is already attached, you can see, and I will obviously ask it, and let's see for the output. And there you go, you can see how quickly this is converting the data. Okay, you can see this is handwritten, this is digital version of the handwritten text that I just attached. I can just click on image again. I can show you some other use cases, like what I can do here. I can just select this okay, business card. I can click on it. I can ask it, can you extract the information? Okay, and it will obviously extract all of the information from that specific image. Okay, obviously you can use any website here. You can take a snapshot of the current website, or you can attach image from your file explorer. Now I'm attaching images from my file explorer. I will ask it, can you extract all information from business card I attached? Okay, now it is obviously it will extract all information. In meantime, it extracts the information. You can see this is the name, this is the title, phone number, website, each and everything is there. Okay, now I will obviously select some other images, like I can maybe select, let me show you 1 second only. I will obviously select any other image, like I can select this ID card. I can extract all information from this ID card. I can select this specific meal. I can ask it how many calories can be there in this meal. I can obviously select this product label. I can ask it, can you explain me how many ingredients and how what are the ingredients used for this product? Okay, so let's wait for the percent. Okay, there you go. Now I can ask it anything. What ingredients are used in this product? Okay, and what are benefits of each. Okay, I will just ask it, and now it will process this message and it will tell me. So this is the best use case you can do. Okay. Okay, so now I will obviously show you. You can see vitamin A, vitamin C, and calcium, and so on. Okay. Okay, now I am on another website. This is related to math, and you can see there are some problems. Okay, so suppose that if you want to solve this problem, what you can do here, you can just click on this camera icon like this. You can take the snapshot like this, and now it will process, and I will ask it to solve these types of problems. Okay, so you don't need to type anything, or you don't need to put your mind to solve this problem. You can just take a snapshot, you can give to this extension, and now you can ask it solve these problems. Okay, now it will just solve the problems for you. Okay, the another use case I have, product pricing comparison. Suppose that if you are on Amazon, okay, in meantime it is solving this problem, I can go to amazon.com like this. Okay, it solves the problem. You can see each and everything is written very well. So suppose that if you want to compare some products, like if I search for coffee here, maybe coffee machine. Okay. So now I will search it, and suppose that if you want to know which product is better in terms of reviews, pricing, and delivery. Okay, what I can do, I can just click on camera icon, and I can just take a snapshot of all these products, and now let's wait. Okay, it's processing, and now I will ask it which product is better for me in terms of pricing and reviews. Okay, so now let's wait for the processing, and now I can ask it literally anything. Okay, so just waiting for the processing. Okay, there you go. Now I asked it which product is better for me in terms of both pricing, quality, and rating, and now it will just process the screenshot. It will analyze which product is better, and it will obviously tell me the best product I should instantly buy. You can see the complete analysis it has told me, and this product is better for my use case. Okay, so obviously this is the first one, I think so, and you can obviously buy it because it provides best rating, the best price, and on the best time. Okay, so this is how it works. And if I move forward, I have some other use cases from cloud. Okay, you can obviously open any website. You can take the screenshot of design. You can identify all UI elements and their purpose in the design. Okay, so you can go to any website, like you can see if you can go to Twitter, Reddit, Instagram. You can screenshot meme or trending image, and you can ask explain this meme and why it is funny. Okay, and it will analyze all of the response. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay, you can literally do anything. So suppose that if I just open this specific product, and I can obviously ask few things, like if I just take a snapshot, maybe like this. Okay, it is still loading, that is why I'm not able to load it. So let's wait for it. Okay, now I can just take a screenshot like this maybe, and now I can ask it to convert this data into tabular form or maybe structure form for the specifications. Okay, now I will just ask, can you describe all specification of this product in best format, and I will just click on ask AI, and now it will process that image that I just taken a screenshot, and it will obviously tell me each and everything about that specifications of this product. Okay, there you go. You can see if you go above, this is the product overview. This is brand, color, product dimensions, type, key features. Each and everything is obviously there. You can see return, seller, everything is there. So this data can be obviously useful for you if you want to save some, if you want to write some article on this product, if you want to save some data from this product into your CRM or dashboard. This can be obviously amazing for your use cases. Okay, so this is how you can obviously, not only this, you can do other things that I already explained. You can select the text, you can click on key points, questions, or anything. Even you can ask anything here. So these are all the features of this amazing extension that you can just install on your Chrome. And once again, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can just install this extension. You can go to Chrome Web Store and you can search for RAG there. Okay, just go to Chrome Web Store and search for RAG. Once you search for RAG, you will see this extension here. You just need to install this extension in your browser, and that is it. It is obviously 100% free. There are no subscription, no fee, or no cost. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you like this video, just thumbs up and just comment if you want to know something. And in next video we will discuss some other things related to this extension. So thank you for watching. Have a good day.